Hey, what's going on guys? In my previous video I have shown you how to print stuff on the screen. In this video we are going to see how to add comments. Comments are basically something to explain your function or something to explain your code, something like that. It will not affect your code. Now let's see how we can write this. Now, for example, let's say we want to include a comment. Like we are just going to add comment. It's just to explain what the function does. For example, let's type something like this. So to add comment, first of all you have to put a backslash and then this asterisk sign, and after that you write whatever you want to write. Like here I'm gonna write, this is my program, this is my program, it prints out my name and it's awesome. Okay, so this is I'm adding comment. After you finish this one, you have to put asterisk again and then put backslash. So this is one of the ways. So here you can see this comment does not affect the code, but if you don't put this one, see what happens. Everything become green. It means when you execute it will not print out. So here you have to add this asterisk and backslash at the end, so you will get this code back. Okay, now this one will print. Okay, so this is one way to add comment. Now there's another way you can add it, that is to inside this parenthesis, like the same way, but here what we do, we put two backslashes. But if we put two backslashes, we don't have to put this one at the end. Okay, so this is another way to write this one, and that's how we add comment in our programming, in C programming. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.